The starter handle attaches to the starter rope. It is the handle you pull on each time you start the engine. After years of use, the handle can fatigue, causing it to crack or break. It can also be damaged in an accident, such as dropping the tool. Replacing the starter handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by pulling the starter rope away from the starter. Now I'll tie a knot in the center of the rope. The knot will prevent the rope from recoiling back into the starter. Now I'll push the rope away from the top of the starter handle and untie the knot on the end. Now I can remove the old handle. To install the new handle, I'll thread the rope through the bottom so it comes out the top. And I'll tie a knot on the end of the rope. Now I'll pull the rope away from the starter again and untie the knot that I tied in the center. And that's how easy it is to replace your small engine's starter handle. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.